Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing some chicken and rice. Stick around. Alright, we got a chicken in there. We're just gonna season this up right nice like. Do a little garlic. Everything's to taste. What you feel like. Go with a little bit of celery seed. Just a little bit of background flavor. A little MSG. And of course our salt. And I'm gonna go with about a teaspoon. And we're just gonna let this cook. Alright, I pulled the chicken out of there. Sorry about the noise. We're gonna add some onions and peppers, celery to our mixture. I'm gonna let this reduce. Alright, this is reduced down. I'm gonna add me a little rice. And we're gonna bring this up to a boil, reduce it. You know how to cook rice. Stick around. Alright, end results. Chicken is nice, tender, juicy, and delicious. The rice, perfect. So if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you on the next one.